How to fix Crunchyroll subscriptions not showing up. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to do is to head over to the settings of a device. Once you're inside the settings, head over to General, move into iPhone Storage. Once you're in here in the search bar, search for Crunchyroll App, and then click on it. Tap on Offload App. Once again click on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This might also fix the issue that you have been facing. Now, if you're still facing the issue, the next thing you want to try doing is move into the App Store. Inside the App Store, in the search bar, search for Crunchyroll. Click on this app. Instead of open, if you see the option of update, then it might be the reason that you're facing the issue. In this case, simply click on update and update the app. Updating the app has also fixed the issue, so you might be also good to go. That's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.